I'm Jen Carlman with InLab News. I'm very happy to be joined by Steve Flaim. He is the president of the San Diego chapter of Tech Coast Angels. We are here at the 4th annual Quick Pitch. Steve, thanks for being here.
Great to be here.
Great to see you again for a second year. Let me ask first, how has TCA evolved, the San Diego chapter specifically, over the last year, since when we saw you back in 2009?
Well, so I think it's really interesting that even though the economy has been very negative over the last year, and 2009 was a really bad year for Tech Coast Angels.
Right.
Since the fall in the economy, the venture capital firms have basically backed away from early stage investments. And so what we find is, in fact, some of the really good deals that used to go to venture firms are now coming to the angels. So TCA has actually had a really robust year with new deals that are coming in. The deal flow is fantastic. The quality of the deal flows deals are excellent.
Right.
And so it's been a great year. And on top of that, we've been in business since 1997, and so now some of our deals are starting to exit. In 2010 alone, we've had 4 exits. So
really, congratulations.
We've had a robust year so far.
Yeah, I want to develop kind of a topic that you just mentioned. When you talk about deal flow, we've seen that sort of in the market, that these early stage companies are having such a hard time getting that, almost that pre-seed money, that really, really early money.
Right.
Is TCA still investing in that money? Are you sort of, they need to get the really, really early seed money, and then that's when TCA comes in? We
have not changed our investment model. We continue to invest in companies that have a pre-money value that's something around or less than $3 million, and we are able to invest $500,000 to $1 million, roughly. That's that's the kind of deal that we do, and we continue to do that, and that's what we've always done. Right.
Talk to me a little bit about the deal flow. San Diego, obviously, being the hub of biosciences. What are you looking for? Is it specifically that? Are you looking more technology? What's the type of deal flow that fits TCA?
So actually, San Diego's network, well, TCA in general, we fund about 1/3 of our deals are life science deals. San Diego has a majority of those deals.
Right.
But overall, we have an awful lot of deals, even in San Diego, that are in the wireless. Obviously, we're here at Qualcomm, so there's a lot of wireless technology, there's a lot of software technology, medical devices, but also there's a large military presence here, and so there's a lot of military research labs that are developing security technologies, and then there's the green tech and the biofuels. So
which of course keeps evolving.
We have all of that present here in San Diego.
Wow, looks like you guys have all of it. And then Steve, lastly, give me a feel for what types of companies we're going to be seeing pitch tonight. I know they only have 2 minutes, which I'm sure for those guys up there goes so fast, but what can the audience expect to see?
I think we have 3 or 4 companies that are life science, biotech type companies. There are a couple of social media companies. There's at least one sports-related company.
Okay.
There's a security sort of / military kind of company. So there's quite a mix that you'll see. It's going to be an exciting agenda.
Yeah, and I think 15 people are pitching. 15 companies.
There are 14 presenters tonight. 14
presenters. All right. Well, we'll look forward. Steve Flaim, the president of the San Diego chapter of Tech Coast Angels. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much. It's great to see you.
You as well.